Hi there, how's it going? This is Dash from Pitch Profits. If you wanted to advertise on LinkedIn, even before you get anywhere close to the campaigns, the creatives, the assets, the ideas, the strategy, and the campaign objectives, and all of that, the first thing you got to do is to handle a few basics. One of the first things you got to do with LinkedIn advertising, among other things, is to install what is called as a LinkedIn Insight tag. If you want to do it with a developer, please do send in the instructions to your developer or your designer or your marketer or your LinkedIn advertiser, and they'll do it for you. If you wanted to do it yourself, this is the video for you. You get to LinkedIn and get to this particular option here that says advertise on LinkedIn. You'll get to the LinkedIn ads campaign manager, and if you haven't created an account yet for your business, you will need to create an account here. You would want to give it a brand name such as Fetch Profits in my case. You have to set your currency to associate a LinkedIn page. So in my case, it's going to be Fetch Profits, and then I click on agree and then click on save. I've already done this, so I'm going to click out of this. So this is how your account looks like. So this is where you will click into, and after you click into your account, you'll be given an option doing several things with respect to getting started with your campaign manager and getting started with your LinkedIn ad campaigns and so on. The first thing, however, on the left side panel, you have measurement. Click on measurement and click on conversion tracking. And this is where you would get to. If you click on create conversion, we're going to get into CSV conversions and conversions APIs in future videos. If you're new to the channel, if you'd like to be notified of new videos, please do subscribe to the channel and stay notified. Click on Insight tag conversion, and this is the first step you would have to take. You can give it any name you want. I'm going to give it a name called test, and I'm going to select the category of conversion. I'm picking a simple one that goes by lead, and I'm going to give a value for the conversion. So I am going to give it a value of around $20, and then I'm going to leave everything the way it is. I'm clicking out of it. We are going to keep it basic, and I'm going to go on to the next step. So there is no action being tracked on the website. We're talking about how to set up a manual conversion setup. I'm only picking this because I can show you the Insight tag code. Now this Insight tag code is being displayed here like this for me on the screen because I've already tried to implement the Insight tag code before I just shot this video. But otherwise, under sources, you would be able to pick Insight tags directly. I'm going to click on Insight tag code, and I'm going to get this particular tag that's available right here. I'm going to copy this tag, and it's going to give me instructions on exactly where this particular thing should be going. The Insight tag has to be tracking every single page on your website. So you're going to choose it on global footer in this case. So I'm going to copy this code. Here are the exact instructions as to where to place your Insight tag code. You paste this code on your website's global footer right above the closing HTML tag of your website. Now inside my WordPress dashboard, which is what I'm using for my website, for your reference, I'm using Divi. If you wanted to manage your website better, run everything that you wanted to run with respect to Divi and manage your website, manage integrations, manage design, and manage WooCommerce implementation properly, and have the ability to make absolutely any changes you want with your website, I highly recommend using Divi. I use it for my own website. I use it for my client websites. Get yourself a copy of Divi at fetchprofit.com/Divi. Having said that, inside your WordPress dashboard, click on theme options. You get integration tab. You get lots of options here as to where exactly you want to paste a custom code, such as the Insight tag for LinkedIn ads. This is where you'll add it to the bodies part of your blog. I'm going to add it to the body section right here. And I'm also going to name it so that I know what this particular script is all about. And I'm going to leave it at this. I'm going to go ahead and click on Save Changes. And once you do this and see whether or not your Insight tag is working. If you did not get the option of adding Insight tag, you can also get through data and sources. You will see the option of Insight tag right here. To reload your site, just go to fetchprofits.com. If you did it right, it must be saying verified here. Please do note that it might take around 24 hours for the Insight tag to show up as verified. To work in advance before you go ahead and launch your campaigns, this particular Insight tag is verified properly. So once it's done, it shows as verified in a green, and that's when you are ready to go ahead with your Insight tag. I hope that helped. If you have any questions with respect to installing your Insight tag, please do reach out to me in the comments below. If you need help with your LinkedIn ad campaign, get on a call. The links are in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ash from Fetch Profits signing out.